Hi everyone, I wanted to take a quick minute to show you how to mobile order from a quick service restaurant when you are in the Disney parks. This is something that is a game changer for myself, for my family, with two young kids who have to be patient a lot in the parks. They have to wait occasionally for rides or for character meet and greets or different activities, or even just waiting in line to get in or on a bus. Waiting for food is not something that they really want to do, and I don't really want to do it either. So mobile ordering food from quick service locations around the parks is something that we always do, and I want to show you how that works. So if you look at the bottom screen on your My Disney Experience app, on the bottom right corner, you'll see the three lines, and that'll take you to your menu, and that's where the screen shows up. So if you click on Order Food, you'll see an option depending on what park you're in. You can filter to different parks. You can see that you have the option to order as soon as possible or schedule for later. Now, I love to schedule for later because, let's be honest, by the time I'm hungry, it's like too late. I already want the food. So a lot of times what we'll do is we'll pick a place that we love to eat and plan ahead for our lunch. So if we know we have a ride coming up, let's say we're going to be on Haunted Mansion, we have a lightning lane, it's going to be it's from 11 to 12, I may pick Columbia Harbor House, which is one of my favorites. And maybe what I'll do here is do an 11:45 mobile order. So if I click on that, you'll see it'll take you to all of the different options they have at this quick service dining location. It is right across from Haunted Mansion. It's one of my favorites, as I mentioned. The lobster roll is delicious. That's probably my recommendation. The fried shrimp platter, but you can see all of the different menu options available. Even the kids' options here are great, and you can go ahead and plan to order these in advance, and it will be there during that window that you've selected. So you get off the ride, you walk over, it'll give you the option to check in that you're ready to pick it up, and it will tell you exactly where to go to pick up your order. So if you haven't done this, please give it a try. It will probably be a game changer for you, but again, you can take a look at all the menus well in advance and have an idea of where you might want to stop. And as you scroll down, you have the option to select different parks as well. So mobile order, super easy. Something that can be really helpful on a busy park day, and also just really helpful in kind of keeping everyone away from feeling hangry on the trip. So hope this is helpful. Let me know what your favorite quick service restaurant is in the Disney parks. Can't wait to hear it. Thanks.